Good morning, my fellow traders. Good morning to you all, guys and girls. So, how are you today? How was your trading during the Asian session, and how do you feel? What about reviewing the market, reviewing what has already happened during the Asian session, and let's see what is possibly going to happen during the European session. As you all know, we do have a very big news today in US. So its interest rate might not be changed yet, but well, the volatile will be extremely high. So what I will post later on, I will post option levels with volume and open interest, the full lists, basically, and you'll be able to review them. So why shall we do it? Because, well, during this high volatility, as during this, FOMC, etc., so the levels with lots of volume and open interest around are most likely to be triggered. So it's good to know where they are. So even though if they are not in the range of our normal trading, it's good to know where they are. So basically what I want you to do with all these numbers, just to review them and try to apply them to your analysis, to your personal analysis. So basically to something what you will possibly trade out or something like this. All right, so let's have a look at what has happened. So at the moment it's gold. Well, let me switch to Aussie, just start with the beginning basically. And so what do we have here? So I do expect the price to bounce and to go up. So at the moment, as you can see, this level has already been triggered, 0.74628. The price is kind of at this area at the moment. So do have a tail up, tail down. It's a 15-minute chart, by the way, and as you can see here, so something is happening. The last hour basically has started already, so we are. What shall we do? Well, I do think that the price can actually give us a wick towards this area here, and we'll be able to enter it. Well, if you don't mind using a wider stop loss here, then you can try to enter it just in the middle here. So using this close open price here, so which is, let me tell you, which is 0.74771. So that's a place to point to leave a buy limit order around this area with a stop loss just below this level here. So it will be a first try, and the break through this level is possible. As you can see, I've already drawn it here. So just a first try with very small lot. So just try to kind of trail it if you will have a possibility, and a very short stop loss. So it doesn't mean that you have to make a wider stop loss. It's better to re-enter the market. So that's what it's all about. All right. Euro pound. Do expect it to go a bit further up. The price is currently in some does look like a correctional phase or something like this. So it's probably going to break this congestion down towards this level here, 0.8367, and then the price will bounce and continue its up movement. Do note that sometimes it works, but I do not recommend you to trade a breakout of this lower degree time frame channel. That's what it is at the moment here. It's not a channel, it's even a range, just a simple range here. Range congestion or whatever you want to call it. All right, so buy limit order at 0.83665 with a target just here, so 0.8420. That's something we might try, but again, London is going to open in 2 hours, so we'll have some noise then, and one of these levels will be triggered definitely. So I will review my market condition just here, so you have to know it as well. So basically, it means that when I have this kind of node here, so what I do normally wait a bounce of one of these levels here. So they will be recounted for European session, but it doesn't mean that they will be that much different. So, and as you know, these levels from previous sessions sometimes do work because they are volume weighted. Some of them are based on price, some of them are based on volume and open interest. Euro dollar, do expect it to bounce and continue its down movement, but at least this level I'm waiting to be triggered before it will continue its down movement, 1.1010. At the moment, as we can see, this level is working 1.1. So you see, it did work here and now it works as well. So we might not see a further bounce towards here. So not the bounce, but further move toward this bounce here. So it is possible that the price will just continue its down movement now. But again, you have to remember that London session will only start in 2 hours. So we have to know it, remember it, and use it. So don't worry of missing trades. So it's not something that you have to worry about. Pound dollar. Do expect it to go down. The price is just around this level here. As you can see, it already bounced off this level, which is a European session yesterday. So it has already bounced. The level is volume weighted, lots of volume around this level here and this one. So this area is very important. We do see some kind of a bounce here, but I do normally, it's a 15-minute chart, but what I do normally do is I'm waiting for a reversal patterns on 1 hour chart, and then I'm using limit orders. So do please remember to check if you want to trade the reversals, please always check a 4-hour or 1 hour chart. It's better to check both, but if you are so if you've got so itchy hands and you definitely want to do something on the market, at least 1 hour, but don't base your decisions on 15 minutes. Kiwi. Okay. Do expect it to go down. The target is just here. It's a short-term target, of course, and the price is going up at the moment. Do believe that this level will be triggered at least, and the price will possibly continue its up movement towards 0.7070, and then we'll try to catch this down move here with a short stop loss. So that's something what is expected. The price with the higher possibility is going to break up from this channel here. As you can see, we do have quite a long-term channel at the moment. Well, it's not a long-term, of course, it's a 15-minute chart, so nothing that much special about it. But do expect price to continue its up movement. Just a quick reminder about all these lines here. So these lines are based on volume and open interest. Also, they are here due to the previous day price action. So not previous day, but previous session. And how to use them? Well, I'm doing the analysis midterm to show short term. And the analysis is showing me the probability of where and how we have to trade. So are we going to buy or are we going to sell? I'm doing sort of simplified wave approach and with elements of classical wave theory. So it's very complicated altogether. Just don't want to show it all to you here. And that's why I'm just sharing with you all the major levels and direction for today. Frankie. Good for those who were able to catch this up move here. So now we see some possible retracement here. So the price is in a correctional phase at the moment. It does go down. This level possibly going to be hit, which is 0.99. As you know, we sometimes have a surprises and the price can actually continue its down movement toward this level, 0.985. So we'll try to buy it around this level here. Not sure that the price will get here. So the price can actually bounce off this level, which is higher. But I will wait for this one to enter the trade. Dollar yen, want to sell it. We'll wait for a better opportunity. We'll recount the levels in 1 hour time. So I do believe that I will have something around this area or 105.800, and I will try to catch this price with a limit order here just to sell it. Try to sell it around this area. Mexican. Still want to sell it. This is the place where I'm going to review my market view. So probably it's going to be changed, but I do believe that in case if it will be changed, it will be changed only on the next week. So when this week will be closed, and possibly it will give us some sort of another view on the market. So what I'm waiting for now, I'm waiting for the price to continue its up movement for a bit towards 18.88 or 19. So this area, quite wide area. And then I will try to sell it around here in case if I'll see a reversal pattern on 1 hour chart at least. Gold. So want to buy it. This level has been triggered actually 1315.5. So as you can see, this is the previous kind of, that was an Asian session actually. So it's been actually almost a day ago. So I'm not sure that it was something what we had to use. So as you can see, we do have a channel down here, a very short-term channel on a lower degree time frame. It's a 15 minutes, but the possibility of this channel to be continued for till this level 1315 or 1310 is possible, and that's where I'm going to buy gold. Okay, guys, so that's all for now. Switching off, and I'll see you in 3 hours. All right. Bye-bye.